This is, and I am, the one and only Jazzy J Man. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to another episode of Jazzy J Man coming at you live. The first thing I want to address is the last video I made. I got some feedback, and all the feedback was positive feedback. So let me address that first. The first thing I want to address is how to pronounce the vice president's name, which I was corrected. And the easiest way to learn how to pronounce it is say comma, like a comma in a sentence, and then just say Kamala. Her name is Kamala. So I would like to thank you all for clearing that up. The other thing I would like to address, now this is going to be kind of funny when I address this to you. This is going to make you laugh. Uh, I'm visually impaired. And so whether I look directly at the camera or not, what difference does it make? I can't see a damn thing anyway. But you know what? When you're doing a podcast or a video or whatever, you have to train yourself to look directly at the camera. So I'm going to try to be more aware of that. Now that I got that out the way, let me go on and continue with today's business. This message is to anybody that has black skin or colored skin. Donald Trump and his idiots are running around here talking about people eating cats and dogs and all this shit, black people and Haitians eating all this shit, which we know this stuff is not true. It's a racist trope. So if you black and you support Trump, he talking about you. Matter of fact, let me give you a little history. Out of all the people in this country, black Americans, which we are descendants of slavery, chattel slavery, we are descendants of that. If you were born in America, you are, a descendant. I'm talking about descendants of slavery, chattel slavery. If your last name is not an African sounding name, then 9 times out of 10, you're a product of chattel slavery ancestors. We are the only people in this country that are not immigrants. So I'm tired of people saying that, talking about immigrants. We're not immigrants. An immigrant is a person that came here of their own free will. We didn't come here of our own free will. So now that I got that away, let me go ahead and finish addressing the issue about these cats. There are a lot of people out there eating cats. Shit, I done ate some cats, but not them kind of cats. Even you got some women that like eating cat. And y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the one with 2 legs. So I don't know why they talking about this cat thing. I'm quite sure there are a whole lot of people been eating cats. So I had to go ahead and address that. I'm quite sure I'm gonna get a lot of feedback on it. But I know one thing. I'd rather be eating cats. Cause I sure don't eat no dogs. Peace. Jazzy J Man out. Have a blessed week. Thank you for listening to Jazzy J Man coming at you live. Peace, love, and blessings.